maduong' mar Naivasha oyawo bade machielo e kar dak ma Embakasi mabende chiegni kod Nairobi Botlas. Kaduka makamano ero en mar 7 e gwego mag Greater Eastlands, kendo bende en mar 2 e wang'apaya ma Airport Road buore Nairobi koya chande. Kamoro to yande koro noseyawo Embakasi Express e dweno ero mar 7 mar higani eri.
Our Embakasi store officially open. Wapi makofi shangwe marabo.
The second time we're doing this, and of course during the festive season. For us, this festive season is very important. It's a rare one. Market has been tough. Consumption, of course, has changed. We still have kids in school. It's raining, but we actually believe that we're actually going to be bringing that cheer. And so we are quite happy. And as Naivas, we are opening a store, creating jobs, creating and growing the Kenyan economy as we actually proceed in all these honesty. And we just don't open stores. We actually open stores with a lot of care, making sure that we actually look at education, performance. You'll notice that very many are the places where we have taken spaces that were occupied by other retailers and we have shrunk the trading space. We're able to actually accommodate because our numbers, and the numbers come from one, what we get from the customers and customer feedback. Second, we actually get from the numbers that clearly state that you know what this particular bit, you are profitable or you're not profitable. And we're happy that with our shareholders and the support that we're actually getting day by day, we continue to grow as we actually enhance the whole Kenyan experience, Kenyan shopping experience. Happy to be here and do that. So,